Hello, I am Rohini Thomre, lecturer, Computer Technology Department, Kikewak Polytechnic, Nasik. In this video, I will be going to explain practical number 7 from course Fundamental of ICT. The title of this practical is Document Page Layout. First, I will be going to explain the need of practical. Page layout feature is used to describe how each page of document will appear when it is printed. Page layout include elements such as margin setting, the number of columns, headers and footers, create multi-column page and document printing. This practical is useful for developing these features helpful in electronic documentation. The relevant course outcome is to prepare business document using document processing tool. After learning this practical, you will be able to apply page layout features on document. You need a practical skills like to create documents and apply different page layout features such as insert and delete a page break, insert page number, insert date and time. Also, you have to use different options to print a document. To perform this practical, you know the various things like the page layout option gives a freedom to user to work with various properties of a document. The user can work with theme of document, gives color to document. These options enable user to manipulate margin, orientation, size and columnar view of a document. One can add watermark to the documents along with page border. Grouping and ungrouping of object can be handled by page layout option. One can make efficient use of page break to give user-defined breaks in a document. To perform this practical, you require a resources like computer system. You can use any desktop or laptop with basic configuration. Also, you require Office software package. You may go with OpenOffice, StarOffice, LibreOffice, MS Office or any other such kind of software. The procedure to perform this practical is first to insert page layout elements to document like insert and delete page break. Then set different options of page layout, page orientation, page margin, header and footer, paper size, then page number or to insert date and time. Also, you can work with columnar layout and section break. And finally, you need to handle the different options to print a document. After performing this practical, you have to write the answer of this question. Explain the importance of section break in document. And can we make portrait and landscape pages in the same document? Thanks for watching.